Sporting Club de Goa produced a superb fight back to beat Pune Football Club by 4-2 in the I-League on Wednesday. The Flaming Orange bounced back after falling behind by 2 goals to script a memorable victory at Fatorda. The match was locked at 2 goals each at the end of first half. Nigerian midfielder Ogba Kalu scored a crucial brace to inspire Sporting's fight back. It was the visiting Pune FC who started the match in an attacking fashion and took the home side by surprise. Pune went up by 2 goals by the halfway stage of the first half. Nigerian forward Geeta Manju was the goal-getter on both occasions. Sporting Club took the setbacks in their stride and stayed patient in their build-ups. The Flaming Orange controlled the midfield with good quality ball possession. Ogba Kalu was particularly looking good and asserted his dominance on the proceedings. The pressure finally paid off and Sporting Club were awarded a penalty in the 29th minute. Kalu made no mistake in putting the ball into the rival net. Sporting looked energized by the goal and went in pursuit of the equalizer with more vigour. The Flaming Orange moved the ball very well in the field and it looked like they could score anytime. Ogba Kalu enjoyed a memorable day with this stunning long-range goal at the stroke of half-time. Sporting completed the victory in the second half with goals from James Moga and Dawson Fernandez. Our reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dias. The 6th International Shotokan Karate-Do Championship is going on at Talegaon. On Tuesday, international karatekas were seen in final action. Karatekas from Iran, Uzbekistan, Russia and a few other international countries along with karatekas from India and Goa battle it out in Kata Championship. The 6th WSKF Championships are currently on at the Talegaon Community Hall in Talegaon.
International karatekas from Iran, Uzbekistan, Russia, Japan, Nepal, Sri Lanka and India were seen in various age groups battling it out for the kata titles. There are as many as 73 categories and 43 events underway at the TCH in Talegaon. Here are a few highlights.
Goa Motorsports Association is organizing a one-day cycle training camp that is aimed at making the youth better riders. GMSA's first such cycle training camp will be held this Sunday at Future Hope School Ground in Kalangut. President of the Goa Motorsport Association, Ashley Gomes, has called youngsters from the state below 10th standard to take part in the camp.
Ashley Gomes explained the idea behind such a camp.
When a simple bus goes from one direction and another vehicle comes from the other direction, the road is so narrow, there is hardly any space remaining for our children to ride their cycles, and most of the time they are pushed off the road, leading to minor injuries. I hope they don't become fatal. And as such, we have decided to do something from our side, wherein we will use the expertise of our riders. At this juncture, for this week where we are going to launch the cycle training camp, we have with us for the seniors well-trained cyclists, which we believe that if you become a good cyclist, you're definitely going to be a better rider on the motorcycle in the future.
Ashley says that GMSA will organize such camps for the rest of Goa as well.
The track is specially designed to give our children more of a fun thing wherein they would want to ride more and more laps. Now mind you, this is not a race track, but we have designed it as per what we would face on our roads, like a speed breaker, like rumblers, sudden potholes, sudden animals crossing the road, or emergency braking. This is what we are going to train our youth. And the way the track is designed with the zigzags and turns and U-turns and berms and all this, we are confident that every participant is going to go back home as a better and more responsive rider. This week it will be for the cycles, next week it will be for the motorcycles.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sarvesh Veduskar from Panji.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.